Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Motor and Transmission Mount Set. This motor and transmission mount set works specifically for the 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry when equipped with the 2.4-liter engine with the automatic transmission. What your motor and transmission mounts do is they absorb the noise and vibrations from the engine and transmission while securing those vital parts in place. And over time, due to wearing of the mounts themselves, these parts do go bad, creating clunks, weird noises, or the feeling your engine is going to jump out of the car when you hit the gas or the brake. While this motor and transmission mount set is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as these are designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the OEM design and, of course, the factory mounting locations. And unlike ordering one mount at a time, this comes with all four needed for your Camry, including the transmission mount, front right and front motor mounts, plus the torque strut mount. Installation of this motor and transmission mount set might be complicated, as you will need to raise and lower your vehicle while securing the engine and transmission. This is why we recommend having a professional handle the installation of these mounts. If you have any questions about this replacement motor and transmission mount set, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.